Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. I'm Arianne, and today I'm going to be talking to you about creating a little bit of variety in your flow. Chances are, if you're a flow artist, there may have been a point in your journey where you may have felt a little bit repetitive or stuck in the tricks that you were doing. And so I just want to give you guys a couple of tips just to spice it up and maybe approach it a little bit differently. So the first thing we're going to go over is going to be catches, and the second thing we're going to be going over is body orientation. For catches, just for the sake of showing you some different ways that you can approach this, I'm just going to do a reverse figure 8 into a little toss. So I think most of us are familiar with an open hand catch. We're just going to give a little toss and go right into a forward figure 8. Another catch that you can do is going to be a penguin catch, where your palm is facing away from you and your knuckles are facing towards you. So we can go from that into a forward figure 8, or a third kind of catch is going to be just a pinch catch, where you're going from a reverse figure 8 into a vertical spin. I think that you can really play around with catches. I'm just using this specific trick just to demonstrate, but if you have a go-to trick, I encourage you to kind of reflect on what your go-to move is after that, out of that move. And just try to challenge yourself to do something a little bit different. Which brings me to the second half of this tutorial, which is going to be body orientation. I think that you can create a lot of something new and playful by playing around with the way that your body is oriented to the star. So for this trick, or for this section, I'm just gonna build off of a forward figure 8 into an over the shoulder toss. So this is one that I've personally kind of struggled with just because I got stuck in it for a while. So we're going from a forward figure 8, we're gonna give a little toss and turn into it, and maybe go into a reverse figure 8 on the same side. Another way that we can play with the orientation of our body with this over the shoulder toss, I can turn into it the opposite way. So from here, if I go from right here, I can go into like that, or another forward figure 8. Even drop it down low. I think playing with height is really fun. So if I give a little over the hand toss, drop it low, do something a little bit different. And yeah, I think just creating that movement with your body, just trying new things and having fun with it, you guys. Do stuff that you don't normally do, even if it feels weird and wonky at first. It just takes time, like anything else. And don't stress about getting stuck in your flow, because every flow artist out there has probably had a period where they felt like that. And this is just to give you guys some ideas on how to change it up just a little bit. I really hope this tutorial helped y'all today. I'm Arianne. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe if you want to see some more. And thank y'all so much. Have a great day.